Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backup and WhatsApp messages. So first, I open WhatsApp on my Android phone. Now, how to backup? Just click on this T dot. Again, click on setting. So you can see here are chat option. Click on here. So scroll down, scroll down. You can see chat backup. Just click on here. Then again, click on backup. So you can see backup already completed my backup. Local time 6 and double 5 55 p.m. and last backup never. So if you want to create this backup automatically, just click on this option automatic backup. So is completely daily, weekly, monthly, and if you want only when I tap backup button. So this is a method how you can backup WhatsApp messages on Android phone. So if you have found this video helpful, please make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.